Casting dreams, my shore, fishing adventures in Jamaica. There's something special about fishing from the shore in Jamaica. No boats, no engines, just me, my line, and the vast, untamed sea stretching out before me. The ocean breeze carries the scent of salt and seaweed. The waves roll in steady rhythm, and the anticipation builds with every cast. I've spent countless mornings and evenings along Jamaica's rugged coastline, standing barefoot on the warm sand or perched on jagged rocks, rod in hand, eyes locked on the water. The thrill never fades, no matter how many times I've done it. One of my favorite spots is a quiet cove, hidden from the usual crowd. The water there is deep, the currents strong, and the fish, well, they're as unpredictable as the sea itself. I remember one morning, the sun barely peeking over the horizon, when I cast my line into the foamy surf. Within minutes, I felt that electric tug, the unmistakable sign that something big had taken the bait. The fight was intense. The fish pulled hard, trying to break free, but I held firm. The line cut through the water as it darted back and forth, a flash of silver beneath the waves. My arms burned, my heart pounded, and finally, after what felt like an eternity, I pulled it onto the shore. A jack, glistening and powerful, flopped against the sand before I secured it. Victory. Some days, the fish came easy, red snapper, grunt, or even a feisty barracuda lurking close to the reef. Other times, the sea tested my patience. I'd cast over and over, adjusting my bait, shifting my position, watching as the tide changed. But that's the beauty of shore fishing. You learn to read the ocean, to feel its rhythm, to understand that some days it gives and some days it takes. Night fishing was a whole different thrill. Standing under a sky full of stars, listening to the waves in the darkness, I'd feel completely in tune with nature. I remember one night when I hooked something massive. My line screamed as the fish ran, pulling me into a battle I wasn't sure I could win. The struggle lasted minutes, but it felt like forever. Then, just as I thought I had it, the line snapped. Gone. A ghost in the deep. But that's the thing about fishing, you don't always win. And yet, you keep coming back. For the fight, for the peace, for the stories. Fishing from shore in Jamaica isn't just a hobby. It's a way of life, a connection to the island, to the sea, to the adventure waiting in every wave. And tomorrow, I'll be back, casting my line, waiting for the next big one.